Saturday, February 1st, 2025. Focus. Why are you so afraid? Have you still no faith? As we go through life, troubles often strikes, pushing us into anxiety, even despair. We resort to worldly solutions and think of God only when things get really desperate. Sometimes we feel that God is indifferent to our plight or does not want to do anything about it. Perhaps He does not even care. That is why the disciple asked Jesus, "Do you not care that we are perishing?" Jesus orders the sea into stillness with a word. God created nature, has absolute power over it. It obeys His word. Indeed, the Creator transcends even the forces of evil. Then why be so afraid? Some doubt is only human, but great disbelief that leads to fear is because we rely on ourselves and expect to control everything. Many of us, with a very sick family member, dive deep into medical guidebooks, trying to defeat the problem. We grasp at human solutions because they make more sense than prayer. Instead, doubt and fear should be occasions to draw closer to God. When in trouble, we should not look at the problem, but at God. If we dwell in the Lord's presence, why be afraid? Whenever at the crossroads of doubt, tension, and uncertainty, we should turn to God in complete confidence. Fruit, are we persons who really trust in God and His promises? Then let us not be afraid.